to your new home at 613 Johanna Street in Austin, Texas. This stunning home has a sleek and contemporary design and feel. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, enough space at 2,035 square feet, and was built in 2007. It has no HOA and is steps away from South 1st Street and close to downtown. Let's take a look. For anyone new to the area, this is the Bouldin Creek neighborhood, very highly coveted. Just literally a block away is the iconic Polvo's Mexican restaurant or Tex-Mex restaurant. They have really good coconut margaritas, I recommend. You're also a block away from Sugar Mamas. I don't know if you've heard of them. They were on the Food Network, the Cupcake Wars, a couple of years ago. There's also a nice coffee house nearby and Maddie's where you can enjoy a nice brunch and enjoy the wild peacocks there. You're also about 5 to 8 minutes away from downtown, and you're also just a short walk from South Congress and Sola, South Lamar. There's also no HOA in the neighborhood. There's also a Starbucks nearby here at Old Torf and First. You get the Starbucks and a nice little corner taquito restaurant. So I think you'll really enjoy living in this neighborhood and great for walks around the town. I hope you've enjoyed today's tour. Of course, nothing beats touring it in person where you can see, feel, and touch things. I'd be happy to schedule a private tour for you, as well as answer any questions you may have about the home, our tenant selection criteria, and more about the neighborhood. Don't hesitate to reach out. My number is 512-781-8844. Until next time.